Yo. Hold on, let me get some cash. Kartel drop a new song, with Rvssian, called Storybook. I will not go take too long to get into the music, But remember, if you like, comment, share, subscribe. And for the people them will send me on a video or on a link on TikTok, just give me some time. I'm gonna deal with it gradually, okay? So remember, if you like, comment, share, subscribe. See me? Let's go. And if you don't want to follow the TikTok, I'm gonna leave it on the screen. Oh gosh, me cut them, I get better than my crutch. Alright, come on.
Hey, Rvssian.
From blood clot, yesterday me I call a phone and you can't answer the phone. Yo, are you real depend? From when me I call you? Me not
If you like, comment, share, subscribe. Rvssian, big up yourself. Nothing but hits.
like this. What you deal with? What? Fuck you. Okay.
Kartel, I thought you changed. What's up? Engage me.
Last night, fucking on your throat all night. Tell us on your boom boom tight. Kick it in a gear and rev it like my G-Wagon.
Dogs, I kick it to that gear and rev it like my G-Wagon.
Can't take it for a ride. Then we dealing up with Dolly two side. No worry about your man tonight. Cause no, I show the money alright. It makes you sad and great.
Remember, if you like, comment, share, subscribe. Right now, Kartel, bling out your fuck.
The line, your nipple sweet, your body cute. We love is like one for the storybooks. Wet up me bands with your pussy juice.
Oh my gosh. The explicit lyrics. But we cannot complain because this is the Kartel that the ladies like.
Body spray champagne honeymoon. I'm in need you like me desperate. So me and you fi fuck to that. I'm in need.
Yeah, man. Now what do you Kartel drop some lyrics, What do you Kartel say, alright girl, come for vitamin and the protein. You see me? Yeah, man. Let me tell a girl say, I want hook her like me desperate.
You like me desperate. Me believe in you, boo. Sex not money. You call anytime when you want it, Bruce.
Now, like that girl in that video, she look like she hard for smile, like she cannot smile. Smile. But
We
bad.
star
Say that you're
you.
from greatness.
You are the star in my private room. Girl, your pussy if I bless you, know I love it. Swear me would I fuck it in a bar.
That's that girl remind me of somebody. Remind me of one girl that used to talk to come from Turkey, Yeah, man. Yeah. Bring back memories. Me need you like me desperate.
Money when me give you 30% of me budget. You better rub down me balls and suck it. Your nipple sweet, your body cute. We love is like one for the story.
Ladies, you hear that? The man them gear a couple percentage. See me? I'm money. So she better suck off him balls and rub it. See me? So that's one of you know say man out the road now and giving nothing for free these days. You see me? Money and cock up. Alright.
Wet up me bands with your pussy juice. Me body spray champagne honeymoon. I'm in need you like me desperate. So me and you.
So far, I think it's a great production. The video, the female representative, Vybz Kartel himself, Rvssian, the beat, the melody, the soft sound of the instruments. Bro, when I review music, bro, me not gonna sit down here and review the music with the song. Me I go to my opinion. My opinion might be different from phone. You see me? No, I can listen to the song and review the song word for word. So comment down below, let me know if you want that. If that make it simpler for you and now watch. But me just like to give my honest reaction or my honest thoughts on the song and the video and the quality. That's what me like for do. So please, and if you see me I pause the video every 10 minutes, bro, YouTube will give me some strike. They might give me some hard strike or wifey hard.
Fuck to that. I'm in need you like me desperate. Me believe in you, boo.
Believe in her to Kartel and say I really dog rich out. Yeah, man. I saw your face smile in the man video. Oh, I'm there. But I'm afraid that Miami girl let me know full of surgery and Botox and can't manage it. Rvssian, big up yourself.
Rvssian that.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright. Head concussion. Make a seat come up. Alright, pause it. Alright, first and foremost, big up Vybz Kartel, big up Rvssian. I always feel like so when Vybz Kartel and Rvssian do a project, it is well put together. I feel like them actually spend time on their production and make sure so when them drop something, a quality music, and something where them just like a drop and say, oh, it dropped. Then make sure say you have quality music. It's quality. It is good quality music, and that's something I love personally. With that being said, next, lyrics and flow. Kartel never use no whole lyrics. Him pretty much are just a sing. You see me? It's more like a sing thing, like a sing J type of vibe. You see me? Him just a sing and I make go to some melody for caress the girl them and thing. But overall, me give the song a honest 9.5. Video 10. The video, the production, the visuals, everything is 10 out of 10. But the reason why I say that is because we know Kartel can do more. You see me? But we want a little more of them creative rhyme and lyrics, flow. We want some more of that. You understand? But me understand what Kartel do. And who understand music just understand that Kartel is just dropping something where sound good and feel nice music for the woman them. You see me? That's just all it is. A feel nice woman for the song for the woman them. So don't just overstand that. Understand that. You understand? Extra standard. You see me? Yeah, man. So if you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll soon on the next one.